What is a first AC? If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you. Your primary job is taking care of the camera package and the camera team. When the camera is rolling, your main focus is just that. Keep the image in focus. So like I said, you're in charge of the camera package and the camera team. So when you get on set, the first thing you typically would do as a first AC is build the camera. You're going to make sure that everything is built the way the DP wants it. So you might need to put it on sticks, tripod, or a dolly. You have to make sure all the lenses are clean and ready to go. So when you're rolling, obviously your main job is to keep the image in focus. Aside from that, you might be dealing with a second AC, a third AC, but you are dealing directly with the DP on what type of shot you're trying to get. So if you need to transfer the camera from one location to another on the camera cart, if you need to build it from a dolly to a Steadicam or an easy rig, you are in charge of making that happen. Another key aspect would be making sure that Video Village is set up properly, especially when you move from location to location. So Video Village would be a monitor or multiple monitors for the DP, director, client, etc. to view the image that is on the camera. If you're enjoying the content you're seeing, subscribe down below, maybe hit the notification button if you really like it. And the biggest thing that gets overlooked a lot is being a good problem solver. Things are gonna go wrong on set every time. A good first AC knows how to figure out the problem, and if you don't know how to figure out the problem, you can work through a solution.